Welcome to my channel Sovereign Circle. Quickly, let's do today's Nifty analysis. So, what happened today was Nifty opened with a gap up, and as we know, price action usually tends to settle near the moving averages. I have plotted these moving averages, that is 50 and 200 SMA. So, we were patiently waiting for that setup in a way that these price actions which will be settling near moving averages, and then it will give a decisive break. Okay, so after the first half at around 2 p.m. we saw a decisive break below 50 SMA, which confirmed a good trading opportunity. At this point a trade could have been taken comfortably. From there Nifty gave 70 points. That means if we have taken the trade at this point, we would have easily get 70 points, which would have easily resulted in around 30% profits in options. Okay, so the important thing today was patience. Instead of chasing the market in the morning gap, waiting for the proper confirmation near the moving average, hence gave a much safer and clearer entry. The same kind of setup was also seen in Reliance Industries, where after consolidation near the moving average, momentum came in, provided a good trading opportunity. So yes, guys, this was today's quick market analysis. Hope if you have enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Sovereign Circle for daily market insights and trading psychology content. Thank you.